yeah, it's a great day. It's a chance for everyone to come up and sort of see the new products that are coming out, the old, how they've been reinvented or changed and adapted for sort of the current market.
Really nice today. It's nice to see new innovations. It's good that things are getting showcased like this and how it can be used in the real world, basically.
I think the Layher Open days just give you a bit of an insight into some more of the components they're working on, and it gives you a chance to go through some technical aspects of Layher components when you're using them, especially in special projects.
The Layher Open Day today has been a real eye-opener for me. Never been in the London depot before, and it really is very impressive. The products and even the whole atmosphere of today has been really stunning.
I think the whole setup from start to finish has been amazing. The people, the clients that he's brought here have been great peers that have worked alongside in the industry for a lot of years who I've never met, and a lot of them are here today.
Brilliant open day. It's very professional. We've seen a lot of different things that I didn't know were out there, as in a lot of things about the CAD drawings and how I can now do returns on corners different.
I think it's been really informative. Obviously the new innovations what are coming through all the time. All I can ever do is just basically improve the industry, especially with also having the senior people from Layher here today and seeing the presentation from the guys who actually designed the beam. I think it's been excellent. I think the whole day's been excellent, very professional.
Some great ideas. Love the idea with the toe board, the new toe board clips to keep the toe boards in position. So handy to erect. So the lads give a demonstration. It was so simple, so easy. Just makes everything a lot handier.
FW was introduced to us back in January. We looked at buildability, found it very innovative. There's a lot of great features in that the industry will get huge benefit out of. It'll open a lot of doors.
It's diverse. Obviously, systems have evolved over the years. Layers have evolved as a business. Us as a company are obviously evolving. The market's changed with health and safety being so demanding these days. The system is a lot easier to apply into the current regulations.
Service, effectively, that we get from Layher, really strong support. Sean's a great guy, he's a go-to guy. The kit itself is fantastic, what you can do with it. Design-wise, the leg loads that you can get out of it, and just always, it's a company that moves forward with the time, so really good.
The company's been going for about 10 years, and we were one of the first people to get Layher. We've used it since day one. We even find that new sites were starting at and new companies were working for, where they may have only ever used tube and fitting. Within 2 to 3 weeks of working with the system scaffold, they said they would never go back to tube and fitting.
What I found very interesting, believe it or not, was the metal toe board. It's the first time I've used it. I'm using it on my current project, and they've got some very clever new fixing ideas for keeping them, especially with the wind loadings. And the project I'm on at the moment will end up being 96 metres high. So I found this really interesting. The capacity of Layher is just unbelievable. So wherever possible, I use Layher in my designs. And to be honest, if there was anything better on the market, I'd be using that. But there's nothing can surpass Layher that's on the market today.
I think the innovations we've seen today with the new FW system is going to be really useful for us in many different ways, particularly in staging. And we do a lot of bridges in our type of festival events. I think we'll be really using them in the near future. Layher is one of our most professional, it's one of our biggest suppliers, but we can always depend on them. We can always depend on the service, we can always depend on the quality of the product. So it's a really strong company that we are involved with.
Today's highlighted to me, even though I've been working at Layher since '86, how much has come on since '86, how much improvements that we have. And I think that's been one of the features of today. And the presentations I do and the training I do is that basically the Layher is second to none. And going back to '86 when we first started using it on Shell Oil Refinery, we were told it had restrictions. It's got no restrictions. And basically anybody's thinking about coming into scaffolding and thinking about buying a system, this is the system to buy. It's basically for health and safety, productivity, it's all around, it's basically the best system that you can use.
The design, technical support.
There's the new product innovation as well. Very excited about that.
Saves us a lot of time, money, manpower.
The split bay designs, how we can do fly paths without using hookovers.
Delivery of materials, a lot more versatile.
A lot of different things which will actually allow us to use the material we've got in a different way than we actually saw possible.
Haulage costs, finishing projects on time, actually quickening projects up in some cases. It's endless the amount of benefits we've had.
Layher is very, very investable.
Layher Germany are fantastic. They keep to their lead in times, especially on specials when you design stuff. You know when you're going to get the material. It's readily available in the UK now, and everybody can talk the Layher language, so we're all speaking from the same song sheet again.
Being partnered up with Layher, using Layher has enhanced the business. There's endless amount of projects you can use Layher on. It looks so much tidier than any other system that we've used.
You can always count on them. It's a product that you can use over and over and over again and won't lose its value. And for us, that is a win all the time.
Give it a go. Totally give it a go. If you don't try it, you won't know, but once you have, you'll see what the benefits it can bring to your business.
It's a great day today, because today we see so many customers that rely on our product, that rely on our service, on our UK team. We can meet very new customers that have only started working with us this year, but also customers from the very beginning, working with us now for many, many years. We introduced the FW beam to the UK market, and we know from the UK customers that they always are very interested in new products and that they want to use these new products. Very early they see the advantages of these products. The relationship with our customers is very strong, and our customers rely on the profession and the abilities of our people here. And you can feel the spirit here, and you can feel it every day when we talk to customers, and I think this is very important.